Just grabbing a potato here to make some dinner up. Got some sweet corn, some potato, and a friend dropped off some squash. So I'm going to make up something, some concoction. But I just wanted to share this potato because it's a nice, good sized Kennebeck potato. Did pretty good for a drought, huh? Oh boy, what do we got fresh from the farm tonight? Yeah, Kennebeck potato, incredible sweet corn, fresh rosemary, fresh holy basil, some salsa that I made in 2017 that I had canned here. And let's see, sauteed in a little bit of olive oil, and then I added a little butter near the end, and a little cheddar cheese on top. And now I'm going to throw a little bit of sour cream on top of that. And that's dinner for the night. So all fresh from the farm. Oh, and there's some squash in there that a friend brought me. So only two things that aren't from the farm are the cheese and the squash. Everything else is as local as it gets. And it's gonna be delicious.